Imagine this. You appear on the surface of the sun, not for a minute, not for a second, for a nanosecond, 1/1000th of a second. Sounds tiny, right? So tiny you might think, hey, maybe I'd be fine. Well, let's talk about that. Welcome to another episode of What If, where we dive into ideas you probably shouldn't try us, especially this one. So, what happens if you appear on the sun's surface? First, let's get one thing clear. The sun is not a warm beach day. It's a giant ball of glowing plasma with temperatures around 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit on the surface. That's already worse than any oven, volcano, or your friend's terrible microwave pizza. But you're only there for a nanosecond. A blink is 100 million times longer. Surely the sun can't hurt you that fast, right? Here's the setup. A nanosecond is so short that light barely travels a foot. Your brain doesn't have time to think. Your nerves don't have time to react. You are basically a frozen screenshot of yourself. The question is, what happens to that screenshot? Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1, you appear. Instantly, the outer layer of your body meets temperatures hotter than anything on Earth. Your skin wouldn't just burn, it would explode into vapor faster than your atoms can form a complaint. Step 2, your atoms absorb energy. And I don't mean, warm sunbeam energy. I mean a fire hose of radiation slamming into your body. Even in a nanosecond, the energy is so extreme that the molecules holding you together stop trying. Electrons fly off. You don't melt, you disintegrate into plasma. Step 3, the sun doesn't notice. You are smaller than a grain of sand compared to this giant star. The sun eats 4 million tons of hydrogen every second. So your sudden appearance is like throwing a snowflake into a nuclear reactor. Now, here's the fun twist. Scientifically, you wouldn't even have time to experience pain. Your brain can't process anything in a nanosecond. There's no ouch, no wow, no why did I agree to this video idea. You never get the chance. The big reveal. Even though the time is unbelievably tiny, the sun is unbelievably powerful. The result is the same as if you stayed longer. Total vaporization. The universe doesn't give participation trophies. So the answer is, could you survive a nanosecond on the sun? Only in the boring sense that you wouldn't realize what happened. But physically, not even close. The sun wins instantly. And that's the takeaway. Even the smallest slice of time can be huge when the environment is this extreme.